Today I'm introducing you to the new reciprocating saw 9234-1, along with its features. The classic shape of the reciprocating saw has been enhanced in the Hartset version, with soft touch features that provide a pleasant surface feel. The handle with trigger is located on the rear side of the unit, while the curved ergonomic support surface for the leading hand is located in the front. The reciprocating saw 9234-1 has a sturdy composite housing that is approximately 39 cm long from the bottom of the handle to the adjustable bracket. Depending on the selected saw blade, the total length expands when it is ready to be used. The support frame on the front of the Sabre saw is adjustable in height and can be adapted to the working environment. Loosen the lever on the bottom of the unit, pull the bracket to the desired height, and reattach the lever. Due to the brushless motor, the Sabre saw has a high degree of efficiency and high efficiency with low wear. This guarantees a long service life. For added safety, the trigger on the handle can be locked via a button that can be operated with one hand, so that the Sabre saw cannot be started unintentionally. The saw blades can be changed without tools in the blink of an eye. To do this, simply lift the lever of the clamping mechanism on the side of the unit, insert the saw blade, and push the lever down again. Depending on application, Hartset offers different saw blades. Among other things, you can cut profiles of numerous materials to length, cut sheet rock to size, or saw off nailed wooden pallets, timber, or branches. A major advantage of the cordless reciprocating saw 9234-1 from Hartset is the ability to work flexibly and on the go, without an annoying cable that's too short or just gets in the way. We recommend the 5 ampere-hour rechargeable battery from Hartset that can also be used for all other Hartset cordless tools. So, for the reciprocating saw, you have the choice between the set 9234-1, 9234-1/4, and the basic unit set 9234-010, if you already have a Hartset rechargeable battery. The advantage with both sets is that they are delivered in the new L-Box 190L-136, so all individual parts have their place, and you can transport and store your tool inventory in the stackable boxes that keep your tools clean and well protected. You always make a good cut with the Hartset reciprocating saw 9234-1.